Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your domain name inside of GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up a web browser and go to github.com and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, click on the repositories tab. Now, inside of here, click on any website or app that you'd like to change the domain name for. So for this one, I'm going to do this weight loss tracker. Now from here, at the top of the page, we've got the settings tab. Going to click onto settings. Now we're going to be inside of settings for my app here, the weight loss tracker app. Now on the left hand side under general, click onto where it says the pages. So click on the pages tab. So in order to use pages, we need to upgrade or make this repository public to enable pages. So go ahead and click on upgrade. Now once you do that, we're going to have more options here below. Then from here, we need to go to say Namecheap or GoDaddy. So I'm going to go ahead and go to GoDaddy here. Then from here, I'm going to sign into my account and click onto my products. Now say if I want to change my domain name to a domain I've got inside of here. So for example, I want to change it to golfers.com. I need to go ahead and click onto domain, and then I need to come over here to DNS and then click onto name servers, and then we need to use these custom name servers to add it inside of here once you've unlocked this pages account.